This is my new custom PC built for content creation and gaming. I started with the Asus ProArt case P602. For the motherboard, I went with the Asus ProArt Z790 Creator Wi-Fi, and I needed this PC to handle everything I threw at it. So I started with the 14th gen Intel Core i9 14900K CPU and 128GB of Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 RGB memory. And my project files can get big, so I went with the 4TB Kingston KC3000 PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD. For rendering my projects and gaming, I got the ProArt GeForce RTX 4080, and to power it all, the TUF Gaming PSU 1000 watts gold. And here it is. I am super happy with this build. Not only does it look minimal without too much RGB, but it can fly through edits and play AAA games at the high settings.